At TJ Maxx. I found these. I don't know, these are the ones that they were mentioning. They were looking for shimmer body oil. Mellow Radiance. And I think there's only two I see. And this one is Rosy Glow. And they're $8 each. And they have this one, Golden Glow, Salted Caramel. Oh, look at this one. Very much love you. I don't know, it's dripping. Shimmer Glow body oil. This Caramel Kiss. Vanilla Blush. Unicorn Fruit. Wet Body Butter.
Christina, security, please.
This pink one, but I don't know if it's the same one I showed you. No, Rose Bloom. It's too strong. I don't like the smell. Fruit Babies. Out of SpongeBob. Ooh, advent calendar in there. Toys that way. If they have any cute sneakers or shoes. Let's skip that. It's cute. Different size. Petal Easter basket. There's that one. Blue.
Want to get the inside scoop on new
by mistake I stopped it, so 6 hours something seconds for TikTok app, the video. So I got this pink one. There's another one bigger than this. I said nah. This is already heavy. Filled it up with all this. I already took pictures. I'm gonna show you the other way. So it's a cute basket I found, and it has like pink and white. You know, it has like flowers, bows. I don't know what else. How cute. They didn't have that much things of rabbit shape. In the beginning, I thought I was gonna find a couple of stuff. The only thing I found was this milk chocolate sea salt caramel rabbit shape. And 2 different cookies, bunny sugar cookies. And these are lemon sugar cookies. And this is a dog toy, but it's pure rabbit, so cute. And it's like a rabbit shape, but it's yeah, gummy jelly beans. Cute. It's the only thing they had, like Easter thing, and it's malted eggs, malted eggs, my favorite. And these are chocolatey carrots, gift wrap, candy wrap of carrots. I'll have to check in the front if they have anything, but over here it's not really much of Easter, a little bit. We'll see over here. This is cute. I'm gonna take a picture of that. It's so cute. Show you. Scared I'm gonna break it. That's why I don't want to touch it. Yeah, I'll just touch it when I have to take the picture. Oh my god, this is a different one. I wonder if this is the same one from Home Goods. Still gonna take a picture of it. So cute. Oh, look at these. Hold on. Oh, they're holding the strawberries. So Adorbs. Cute. Just Happy Easter at the back. The same one from Home Goods. We took a picture of that. Is that different from, yeah, it's a different one with the strawberries. The rabbits are holding strawberries. So cute. Look at this one. I was almost not gonna go out. I was like, give excuses, or I want to just go to sleep longer, or whatever. They have a Miffy. I thought it was salt and pepper shaker, but they don't say it. It's just figurines of Miffy. I gotta take a picture of that. Look at this one. Grab it. Is this the same one like Home Goods? I'm still gonna take a picture of it. Look at those. Playing with the butterflies. Look at this one. How cute.
I did.
These 2 different ones with the carrots, holding carrots.
I'll look over here too.
Not much. Oh, the bottom. That guy. Oh. How come they don't think about Peter Rabbit putting as a figurine? They just have rabbits.
You find something?
Plates. How cute. I found one Peter Rabbit mug here at TJ Maxx. All the mugs. Bambi. Doesn't this look like a Bridgerton? Doesn't say it, but it looked like it. Ooh, I love this one. Halloween. Spring. Let me check the front to see if anything. I'll find nothing, then I go walk to the Boulevard Mall. Look at that. Dinosaur. This is cool.